Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a skill that you need to learn, or you should learn. And that skill is land navigation, also called orienteering. Now, in today's modern age, everybody has a lot of cars now, newer cars have the built-in GPS navigation device where you type in, or you can verbally say 1304 Westbrook Lane, New Haven, Massachusetts, and it gives you directions how to get there. Well, there have been a lot of problems with the GPS systems. I know around here, just about every GPS system has the one road over in Firth, shows it going through to Interstate 15. Well, it doesn't. It goes right up to the Snake River and it dead ends at the Snake River. There's no bridge there. There may have been a bridge there back in the early 1900s, but there's no bridge there now. Hasn't been a bridge there for 40 years. Because I've talked to some of the locals, and they go, oh yeah, there's no, I don't remember any bridge ever being there. So, but the GPS says there's a bridge there. But the paper maps say, no, there's no bridge there. So, maps and land navigation is a skill to learn. Learning how to read maps, how to read the legends on a map, how to go out and see where, just determine where you are just by looking at a map and looking at the terrain around you. Learning how to judge distances from where you are to where that river is coming down the mountainside by using a compass and getting the degrees and stuff and checking it all out. There's a lot of skill in learning land navigation that'll help you out if you got to go cross country to get home or to get away from something. So land navigation is a skill that is not really taught anymore except in the military or the Boy Scouts. The orienteering merit badge is one of the badges where they teach you how to do that stuff. All right, so that's a skill for you to learn. That's a challenge for you that sometime this year, learn land navigation. All right. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you, including roads being out and you having to go across country. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a bunch of skills. At least one skill a month. Also, get your garden going. Enlarge your garden. If you don't have a garden but you have you live in a house where you got along the driveway and stuff, you have room along the driveway, get some pots, some big pots. Grow food in the pots. You say, well, I rent. Well, yeah, fine. Grow food in pots. Take the pots with you. I'm not talking about small pots. I'm talking like, big pots, Grow food.